Hi explorers, and welcome back to PipPaws Facts. Today, we're uncovering animals with some of the most shocking powers on Earth's animals that can be dangerous without even touching you. No claws, no bites, just nature using science in incredible ways. Ready to explore? Let's go! You're walking through a rainforest. You spot a beautiful frog. Bright colors, small enough to fit on your fingertip. You reach out to touch it, and that decision could be your last. Welcome to the deadliest list you'll ever watch. Starting at number 10, the poison dart frog. These tiny amphibians from Central and South American rainforests pack enough poison in their skin to kill 10 grown men. Here's the terrifying part. You don't even need to eat it. Just touching one can be fatal. The poison disrupts your nerve signals, causing muscle paralysis, heart failure, and death within minutes. They get their toxicity from eating poisonous insects like mites and ants. Captive bred dart frogs are actually harmless because they don't have access to these toxic meals. Number 9 is a box jellyfish, and it's been called the most venomous marine animal on the planet. Found in the waters of the Indo-Pacific, particularly around Australia, this transparent killer is almost invisible in the water. Each box jellyfish has up to 15 tentacles, and each tentacle can grow up to 10 feet long. Those tentacles are covered in millions of microscopic darts called nematocysts. Brush against one, and they fire into your skin like tiny harpoons, injecting venom so powerful it can stop your heart in under 5 minutes. Since 1954, box jellyfish stings have killed at least 5,567 people worldwide. Australian beaches often have stinger nets during jellyfish season to keep swimmers safe. At number 8, we have the blue-ringed octopus. Don't let the size fool you. This creature is only about the size of a golf ball, but it carries enough venom to kill 26 adult humans in minutes. Found in tide pools and coral reefs in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, these octopuses are normally brown and camouflaged, but when threatened, vibrant blue rings flash across their body as a warning. One bite, which you might not even feel, causes total body paralysis within minutes. Your muscles stop working. You can't breathe. But here's the horror. You remain fully conscious. Number 7 is the stonefish, the world's most venomous fish. These masters of disguise live on the ocean floor in the Indo-Pacific, looking exactly like a rock or piece of coral. You literally cannot see them. Step on one, and 13 venomous spines puncture through the sole of your shoe and inject venom directly into your foot. The pain is immediate and excruciating. Victims say it's the worst pain they've ever experienced. Stonefish venom is so potent that it can remain dangerous even after the fish has been dead for 48 hours. In Australia, there are more stonefish injuries than shark attacks every year. At number 6, the cone snail proves that slow doesn't mean safe. These beautiful marine snails are found in tropical waters, and their shells are so gorgeous that collectors have died trying to pick them up. There's no anti-venom. There's no cure. The venom causes paralysis so complete that you can't move, speak, or breathe. Some species carry enough venom to kill 700 people. The geography cone snail, in particular, has killed dozens of humans. Here's what makes it worse. The sting is sometimes painless at first, so you don't realize you've been envenomated until the paralysis begins. Scientists are actually studying cone snail venom for medical purposes because it's such an effective painkiller, thousands of times more powerful than morphine. Number 5 is the Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard on Earth, growing up to 10 feet long and weighing over 300 pounds. These prehistoric-looking predators are found only on a few Indonesian islands. For years, scientists thought Komodo dragons' kill was bacteria-laden bites. Their mouths were supposedly full of deadly bacteria that would cause septic infections. But recent research revealed something even more sinister. They're actually venomous. Their venom contains toxins that lower blood pressure, prevent blood clotting, and induce shock. When a Komodo dragon bites prey, it doesn't need to chase. It just waits. The animal weakens from blood loss and venom, unable to escape. The dragon tracks it for miles if necessary, waiting for it to collapse. Komodo dragons have killed humans. In 2007, an 8-year-old boy was killed by one. At number 4, the pufferfish. In Japan, it's called fugu, and it's a delicacy that can literally kill you. The chef needs a special license to prepare it because one wrong cut, and the dinner becomes a funeral. Pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin in their organs, especially the liver and ovaries. This toxin is 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. One pufferfish contains enough toxin to kill 30 adult humans, and there's no antidote. Eating improperly prepared pufferfish causes your lips and tongue to tingle. Then full body paralysis sets in. Your diaphragm stops working. You suffocate while fully conscious. This usually occurs within 4 to 6 hours. Despite this, about 50 people in Japan are hospitalized every year from fugu poisoning, and several die. Number 3 is the electric eel. This isn't actually an eel. It's a type of knife fish, and it's swimming through the Amazon River right now, capable of generating 860 volts of electricity. That's enough to kill a horse. Electric eels have 3 electrical organs that make up 80% of their body. They use low-voltage pulses to navigate and communicate, but when threatened or hunting. In 2021, researchers discovered that electric eels hunt in packs and coordinate their attacks, releasing simultaneous shocks of over 8,600 volts combined. Number 2 is the inland taipan, also called the fierce snake, and it holds the title of most venomous snake in the world. Found in the remote deserts of Central Australia, one bite contains enough venom to kill 100 adult humans or 250,000 mice. The venom is a cocktail of neurotoxins, hematoxins, and myotoxins. It attacks your nervous system, your blood, and your muscles all at once. The good news, the inland taipan is extremely shy and reclusive. There's never been a recorded fatality from one because they live in such remote areas and avoid humans. But if you somehow did get bitten, you'd need anti-venom immediately. You'd have less than an hour to get to a hospital. And at number 1, the cassowary. Yes, a bird. This flightless bird from the rainforests of New Guinea and northern Australia is often called the world's most dangerous bird, and for good reason. Standing up to 6 feet tall and weighing 130 pounds, cassowaries have a 5-inch dagger-like claw on each foot. They can run at 30 miles per hour through dense jungle, jump 5 feet straight up, and they're territorial and aggressive. These birds don't need venom or toxins. They're living dinosaurs with attitude and weaponized feet. If you see one in the wild, do not approach. Do not run. Back away slowly and get behind the tree. They've been known to chase people for over a half-mile. So there you have it. 10 animals that prove nature doesn't need fangs or claws to be deadly. Sometimes the most beautiful, the smallest, or the strangest creatures are the ones you need to fear most. That was Pippa's Possum Facts. Thanks for exploring the world of dangerous and deadliest animals with me today. If you loved this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next possum adventure. See you next time.